Hi, it's Tim from Toy Tinker Tim, and in this episode I'm taking a look at my talking G.I. Joe Adventure Team Commander. His pull string has gotten stuck, so we're going to take a look and troubleshoot that and find out what's going on. So it's a common problem. It could be a basic for some people. Sometimes we just need a little nudge to solve the problems. And that's the goal of this episode. This Adventure Team G.I. Joe Talking Commander has been in for multiple tune-ups here on Toy Tinker Tim. The voice box was kind of mumbly. The shoulder connectors were cracked. I was losing a little hair on the top, like a lot of us. And so that got reflocked. And now it's a pull string that's hit a snag. The very fortunate thing about this is the design of it all. It's just two screws that hold the chest sections together. So the problem is here, the string only pulls out so far, and then there's a sudden stop. It's a very narrow track on this wheel where the pull cord, the string winds and stores. So I'm taking a look. I can see a whole crisscross of the string here on the spool. Things are layered over each other in this track. It's under a spring tension, so it's constantly pulling to keep the string tight. That presents a bit of a struggle to get the tangle out. So I'm pulling what I can out of the wheel, or off of the wheel first. What slack there is, what I have to work with. I'm using my freer elevator here to lift up the overlapping tangled string. The point is to create more slack here. Then, as I'm able to work on that slack, I can get more string off the wheel. The final goal is to keep loosening the string, pulling it forward off the wheel as it loosens up until the entire string is off and you've reached the end. It's a patience with it. Don't pull too hard on that tangle as you go. You just need to kind of keep loosening it up first as you go, and then gradually pull out as it loosens. Once you've gotten to the end, lightly lift your pressure on the spring wound wheel and let the mechanism slowly rewind the string back up. So while this is all open, I'm going to do just a little preventative measure here. And I'm applying a little WD-40 silicone here onto the spring mechanism to just kind of coat and prevent rust from forming. I'm using a foam-tipped applicator to apply it with. And then this will also clean the surface of any dust or other dirt as well here as I go. Then I'm also going to check on the health of the foam pad here. I have more details in my voice box episode here for this figure. There's a link here. And the pressure of that foam is what helps amplify the voice box. So let's give it a good test here now. If you want full access to all my repairs, you may want to consider becoming a behind-the-scenes member for other detailed repairs on vintage toys and paper goods as well here. So as always, thanks for watching Toy Tinker Tim.